What if Honda took its perfectly balanced middleweight adventure bike and refined it for 2026, turning it into one of the most fun, manageable, and all-purpose motorcycles on the market? Today on AM Autos, we're diving deep into the 2026 Honda NX500, a bike that's built for every rider who wants style, capability, comfort, and adventure without compromise. Stick with us until the very end of this video, because we've got a special surprise for every fan of versatile motorcycles. The Honda NX500 has quickly become one of the most talked about models in the adventure segment. Positioned between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight adventure tourers, the NX500 targets riders who want real capability without excessive weight or intimidating ergonomics. It blends an agile chassis with comfortable ergonomics, spirited power delivery, and impressive technology, all in a package that's accessible to a wide range of riders. At the heart of the 2026 NX500 is a 755cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, the same great unit that Honda uses in the CB500X and other middleweight models, but tuned for adventure-ready performance. This engine delivers a smooth and predictable power curve that's very rider-friendly, making it a great choice whether you're commuting, touring, or exploring twisty backroads. The engine produces feel-good torque in the low and mid-range, giving you strong pull off the line and confident overtaking ability, while revving smoothly at higher speeds. Its balance of punch and refinement keeps stress off the rider and fun in every ride. Fuel delivery comes from Honda's refined PGM-Fi electronic fuel injection, which ensures crisp throttle response and consistent performance across weather conditions and altitudes. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox that offers smooth, confident shifts and a reliable feel, the engine setup makes the NX500 entertaining on every stretch of road, from city commuting to weekend adventures. The chassis of the NX500 is one of its standout strengths. Honda engineers crafted a lightweight yet stiff frame that makes the bike feel composed on pavement while staying eager when the terrain gets rough. Yamaha and KTM may dominate headline news in the adventure space, but the NX500's chassis balance, confident yet easy to manage, is one of its core attractions. It's a bike that invites you to ride faster, further, and more comfortably than you might expect in its class. Long travel suspension contributes heavily to that confidence. Up front, you'll find a 41mm telescopic fork tuned for a blend of comfort and feedback, while the rear ProLink monoshock smooths bumps and undulations with a composed feel. Whether you're cruising on pavement, carving a twisty backroad, or tackling a dirt track, the suspension soaks up imperfections without agitation and keeps the wheels planted, and you comfortable. Wheel size on the NX500 plays right into this bike's dual-purpose nature. A 21-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel give you the confidence of classic dual-sport geometry, rolled into a package that doesn't feel cumbersome on the road. These wheels strike a perfect balance for riders who want the ability to go off the beaten path without sacrificing paved performance. Of course, modern adventure bikes need good brakes, and the 2026 NX500 delivers solid stopping power with dual front discs and a single rear disc, all supported by a responsive ABS system that's perfectly tuned for both on-road confidence and light off-road control. Honda's approach here is thoughtful, giving safety where it counts, without stripping the rider of feel or introducing an overwhelming amount of electronics. It's supportive, not intrusive. Speaking of electronics, Honda offers a smart and usable package here. A full-color TFT display is featured on the NX500, providing crisp, readable information including speed, gear position, fuel range, and trip info. Optional smartphone connectivity lets you pair your device via Bluetooth, enabling turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and more directly on the screen without overwhelming the riding experience. Lighting on the NX500 is all full LED, which not only gives a modern look but vastly improves nighttime visibility and road presence compared to traditional halogen systems. Whether you're on winding backroads or cruising under city lights, the lighting setup enhances clarity without adding electrical load. Ergonomically, the 2026 NX500 feels just right for a wide range of riders. Honda designers struck a careful balance between comfort and control, producing an upright riding position that's confident and relaxed. The seat is broad enough for long rides, yet supportive enough for spirited miles through mountain passes. Handlebar placement and footpeg positioning encourage a natural posture that reduces fatigue on longer trips and gives you great leverage when you need it in twisty sections or light off-road terrain. One area where the NX500 really excels is comfort versus weight. At around 210 kilograms wet, it remains significantly lighter than most heavyweight adventure tourers, yet it doesn't feel underpowered or outmatched. This lightweight philosophy makes it easier to flick the bike through corners, manage it at low speeds, and handle tricky terrain, no small advantage when you're riding for hours or navigating unfamiliar roads. Fuel range is another practical plus. With a 16.9-liter tank and efficient engine tuning, riders can expect impressive range, often between 350 to 450 km on a full tank, depending on riding style and conditions. That means fewer fuel stops on long journeys and more uninterrupted riding time, a crucial advantage on all-day trips or multi-day touring plans. Honda hasn't forgotten about load carrying and touring capability either. The NX500 can be optioned with luggage racks, pannier mounts, and taller windscreen options, making it easy to add touring gear for extended trips. Stability under load remains strong thanks to its balanced frame and suspension setup, making it a bike that can truly grow with your riding ambitions. Let's talk about versatility. What makes a bike like the 2026 Honda NX500 special isn't just impressive specifications, it's how those specs translate into real-world riding experiences. This is a motorcycle you can commute on during the week, take on dirt backroads over the weekend, and ride across states on holiday without feeling out of place or uncomfortable. Middleweight adventure bikes always walk a tightrope between performance and usability, and the NX500 pulls it off admirably. This bike appeals to a broad spectrum of riders. New or relatively new riders who want a motorcycle that's capable but not intimidating, with responsive power and intuitive handling. Experienced riders looking for a lighter, more agile alternative to heavyweight adventure bikes. Tourers and commuters who want a single bike that feels at home in urban and off-road environments. Weekend explorers chasing new dirt routes, gravel passages, and scenic roads. As of today, Honda has not published any official changes indicating major spec deviations, but the consistent theme across all dealer announcements and enthusiast discussions in 2026 is that the NX500 continues to be a well-rounded, real-world adventure option that riders genuinely enjoy. It doesn't have the biggest engine in its class, and it doesn't pretend to be a heavyweight tourer. Instead, it thrives on balance and everyday confidence. And now, for the special surprise we promised if you stayed till the end, here. On AM Autos, we're launching a brand new series called Adventure Machine Breakdown, a deep dive into how adventure motorcycles like the Honda NX500, Yamaha Tenere 700, Suzuki V-Strom 650, and other dual-purpose machines compare in real-world conditions. We'll be testing them in city conditions, twisty backroads, gravel trails, and long cross-country routes. You'll get honest riding impressions, gearing and accessory insights, performance comparisons, and real adventure stories from riders who depend on these motorcycles every day. The 2026 Honda NX500 isn't just another bike in the adventure segment, it's a well-balanced, versatile, and capable machine that does so many things right without overwhelming the rider. Whether you're new to bikes, returning after a break, or just searching for that perfect middleweight adventure companion, this bike deserves serious attention. Thanks for riding with us today. Stay tuned to AM Autos for more deep dives, real-world tests, and adventure-ready motorcycle stories. Ride safe, explore more, and we'll see you in the next video.